They move like mountains, quiet, slow, ancient. For millions of years, elephants have walked this earth long before humans built cities, kingdoms, or roads. But behind their enormous size lies something unexpected: memory, emotion, and intelligence, power enough to reshape entire landscapes. Because elephants are not simply animals surviving in nature, they are families, and every family carries stories they never forget. An adult African elephant can weigh over 6,000 kilograms. Its ears regulate heat like giant cooling systems. Its trunk contains around 40,000 muscles, strong enough to uproot trees, yet delicate enough to pick up a single blade of grass. Nature built the elephant like a living machine, but its true power is not physical strength. It is the mind behind those eyes. There's a reason people say an elephant never forgets. In harsh environments, survival depends on memory. Old matriarchs remember hidden water sources from decades earlier, migration routes, danger zones, safe paths during droughts. Entire herds may survive because one elderly elephant remembers where water once existed years before. Knowledge becomes survival and memory becomes leadership. Elephant societies are built around family: mothers, grandmothers, sisters, aunts. They raise calves together as a team. If a baby falls, if a baby falls, others rush to help. If danger approaches, the herd forms a protective circle around the young. And calves learn everything by watching older elephants. These relationships can last an entire lifetime because for elephants, survival is collective. No one survives alone. But perhaps the most haunting behavior of all happens after death. Researchers have observed elephants returning to the bones of dead relatives years later, touching skulls gently with their trunks, standing silently nearby. Some appear reluctant to leave. Scientists still debate exactly what elephants understand about death. But one thing is clear: something emotional is happening. A recognition, a memory, possibly even grief. And when humans witness this behavior, it feels strangely familiar. Elephants communicate in ways humans rarely notice. Some of their calls are so low in frequency that humans cannot hear them. These infrasound vibrations travel through the ground for kilometers. A distant herd may receive warnings without seeing or hearing another elephant nearby. Imagine speaking through the earth itself, an invisible network of communication stretching across the savanna. Elephants do something few animals can. They change the environment around them. As they move, they create trails used by countless other animals. They spread seeds across enormous distances through their dung. They, they, dig, they dig for water during droughts, creating access for smaller creatures. Sometimes they even knock down trees, transforming dense forests into grasslands. Scientists call animals like this ecosystem engineers because entire landscapes depend on them. Without elephants, many ecosystems begin changing dramatically. But today, these giants face a growing problem: us. As forests disappear and human settles as forests disappear and human settlements expand, elephant pathways become blocked. Families become separated. food becomes scarce and conflict increases. For centuries, elephants ruled vast territories. Now, many survive in fragmented islands of habitat, surrounded by roads, farms, and cities. One of Earth's greatest giants slowly running out of space? There is something deeply ancient about elephants. Maybe it's the way they move, the way they protect each other, or the calm intelligence behind their eyes. When people stand near elephants, many describe the same feeling respect because elephants remind us that intelligence does not always appear as dominance or technology. Sometimes true intelligence looks like memory, patience, community, and the ability to care for one another across generations. Long after humans are gone, the earth may still remember elephants in ancient trials carved into the land. In forests, they helped shape. In seeds, they carried across continents. In the stories passed between generations of giants, walking slowly beneath the same sun, because elephants are more than survivors, they are living memory, and perhaps that is why the world feels quieter each time one disappears. Some giants carry more than strength, they carry memory. See you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos.